So hello everyone, good evening. Hope you all are good and safe at your home. Myself Sunanda, I am a health consultant and practicing in Bangalore from last 7 years. So today's my topic is little different, and I am talking about thinking because all now also you all are thinking, right? Something happened in your mind. So my topic is stop thinking and start living. So as a human being, we are thinking all the time, right? From the time we wake up till the time we sleep. And that's good thing because as a human being, you could not think our lives without be this significant, right? So if we are thinking all the time, then what we need to believe is the quality of those thoughts. So thinking is an unconscious action. And there are conscious thoughts and there are unconscious thoughts that are constantly happening in our mind. We could either be speaking to someone, we could be reading something, we could be watching something, and we could be seeing something on social media, but all of that content is going into a subconscious mind and is resulting in some thoughts. Now the problem comes when we understand that every feeling that we have, every emotions we have happens because of the thought that you are thinking, that we are thinking. So, but let's prove that. If I tell every one of you to be angry right now, is it possible? To be sad right now, to be happy right now? No, not possible. So you can't unless you have an angry, sad, or other thoughts, right? So we need thoughts first. So every thought creates your emotions and feelings. So it becomes extremely important to monitor the countless thoughts that are going through our minds. We need to understand that happiness can never happen without unhappy thoughts, anger, and can never happen without an angry thoughts. So negativity in our lives, it's very simple nowadays, राइट कि बहुत सारी नेगेटिविटी रोज जब भी मॉर्निंग उठो तो कुछ ना कुछ नेगेटिविटी सुनने को मिल जाता है. तो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू एक्सेप्ट दैट नेगेटिविटी इज रियल. उससे भागना नहीं है. वी हैव टू एक्सेप्ट दैट. वी एक्सेप्ट दैट एवरीवन हैज पॉजिटिव आल्सो. When you have a negative thought, you have the power to stop dwelling in it. Stop giving it energy. Stop giving it attention to grow. And at that point, if you take a positive thought and you dwell in it, you only feel happier, you feel more excited. So that is very important. And for example, if someone goes for weight loss and suddenly he stopped losing weight, and that's a negative emotion that leads you to feel negative about yourself, but you keep giving it to the attention, that going to grow bigger and bigger. And then what is the result? Making wrong decision. Suddenly stop कर देते हैं कुछ भी जो भी वो कर रहे हैं, suddenly they are doing stop. So it controls your behavior. There is a depression, and in the relationship also you keep giving a negative thought, constant energy and attention, that only grows. So then you have less space in your mind for positivity. So what you can do is try to get rid of your negative emotions. Try to give it less attention by focusing more on something positive that happening in your life. Each of us has, right, no matter what we are going through, has something positive in your life. Something happened now is, and something will happen or is already a memory. So when we are in a negative situation with a negative thought, at that point there is something we can do. What we can do, something we can do, like call up someone who makes you happy, speak to someone who motivates you, speaks to someone who is inspire you, or think of those thoughts that make you feel good about yourself. So all are doing is diverting that energy. So what you want to start doing is living life, spend more time with the things that make you happy, the people that make you happy. Stop trying to push the negative out of your life. So accept that we have a dark side and we have a bright side also. Every human being has every something good, something bad. Now it's up to you and your inner awareness and the inner balance that helps you manage it better. So start living your life and don't think much and think positive. Thank you so much.
Very much. Nice.
Very nice speech.
Very